What steps should I take to become an Amazon PPC specialist? I'm saying this from someone's point of view who was totally red-brained before I switched to Amazon PPC. Short background on me, I was a music producer before we started 5 years ago learning about Amazon PPC. I believe ability, curiosity, and being humble are some of the most non-obvious skills or traits that you might need to have in order to actually become a PPC specialist. What I'm seeing is that you can become a junior Amazon PPC manager. A junior PPC ad manager, what they would do is create reports for clients or deal with numbers. They would optimize with follow SOPs, let's put it that way. So systems and processes that someone else is already put in place. Now for that, the trait that you would need is highly detail oriented. And the second one is going to be tied into how teachable you are. What I've seen, because we hired and still hiring people helping on the agency side with Amazon PPC management. So Amazon PPC managers, what I'm seeing is that the trait that is a must at any level, either you are junior, either you are intermediate, either you are advanced Amazon PPC manager / specialist in this case, is how trainable you are and how quick you are into being corrected. Reason why I'm saying that is most of the junior Amazon PPC specialists that we hired, they were okay to be corrected because they know that, hey, I don't have the skill. This is my boss. I'm going to listen to whatever they say because I want this job. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to give my best. Now when we were switching into more senior or intermediate Amazon PPC managers, what I noticed is that people who had trouble with being corrected were way less on our team. So that's why I'm saying that's also a really good trait that most people are not even mentioning or talking about.